Welcome, cosmic seekers, to a transformative journey under the celestial canopy. Today, we stand at the threshold of the upcoming first new moon of 2024, a celestial event that aligns harmoniously with the mystical 111 portal. It's a moment brimming with cosmic energies, inviting us to set our intentions for the year and harness the heightened vibrational frequencies that dance in the cosmos. In this video, we unravel the profound significance of this celestial alignment and guide you through a potent ritual that promises to amplify your manifestations for the year ahead. But before we dive into the steps of this empowering ritual, let's explore the essence of the new moon, a celestial ballet where the sun and moon perform a dance that births new beginnings, fresh starts, and the potential for profound transformations. If you're drawn to content that delves into spirituality, manifestation, and self-discovery, consider joining our cosmic community by hitting the subscribe button and activating the notification bell. Now, as we embark on this cosmic exploration, let's understand the synergy of energies that the new moon and the 111 portal bring into our lives. The new moon, a celestial phenomenon where the sun, moon, and earth align in perfect harmony, marks a pivotal moment for planting the seeds of our aspirations. As we stand on the cusp of this lunar cycle, we invite you to share your intentions for the year in the comments below, creating a collective ripple of manifestation energy. This first new moon, coinciding with the magical 111 portal, adds an extra layer of potency to the cosmic forces at play. The repetition of numbers amplifies the energies, creating a cosmic resonance that can either propel your intentions to soaring heights or cast them adrift in the cosmic sea, depending on the vibration you bring to this sacred moment. Before we embark on the ritual, it's crucial to grasp the true purpose behind the manifestation process. Mere mechanical gestures won't suffice. It's the belief residing in your subconscious mind that acts as the bridge to the higher realms, facilitating the manifestation of your desires into reality. Stay tuned until the end as we not only guide you through the steps of the ritual, but also unveil the profound wisdom behind the new moon's alignment. Together, let's navigate the cosmic currents, harness the energies of creation, and set the stage for an extraordinary journey into the year ahead. Remember, the universe is listening, and the canvas is blank. What will you paint on it? The upcoming first new moon of 2024 is closely approaching, and excitingly, it aligns perfectly with the magical 111 portal. There's no better moment than now to set your intentions for the year and enhance the results by tapping into the heightened energies from the cosmos. This cosmic event holds immense power, especially for those aiming to manifest something significant into their lives. Share in the comments what you're manifesting this year. Engaging in specific high vibrational rituals on this day will accelerate the manifestation of your desires and set the stage for an incredible year ahead. In this video, we not only provide you with the steps for the ritual, but also explain the significance of tapping into the intensified energies of the first new moon of the year. Ensure to watch the video till the last step and perform the ritual on the 11th of January. But before we dive in, if you enjoy content on spirituality, manifestation, and self-discovery, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. The new moon marks a time of new beginnings, fresh starts, and setting intentions. It initiates a lunar cycle where the moon aligns with the sun, with its dark side facing Earth. New moon energies strongly support planting seeds for future endeavors, starting new projects, and setting intentions for your manifestation journey. When a new moon coincides with portals like 111, you often observe repetitive numbers, combining the amplified energies of the new moon with those of the 111 portal, creating an extra potent cosmic force. However, it's essential to exercise caution, as the outcome can be either positive or negative based on your vibration during this time. Before delving into the manifestation ritual, it's crucial to understand its purpose. Merely going through the motions because someone recommended it won't yield meaningful results. Your subconscious mind, acting as a connection to higher realms, must genuinely believe in the process for manifestations to take hold in your life. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. Let's explore the significance of the new moon. During a new moon, the Earth, Moon, and Sun align in a straight line, with the Moon positioned between the Earth and the Sun. The Sun, associated with masculine qualities, symbolizes strength, power, vitality, consciousness, and active energy. On the other hand, the Moon, often associated with feminine qualities, embodies receptivity, intuition, mystery, and the subconscious, linked to cycles, rhythms, and the ebb and flow of life. The new moon is a unique event where the masculine sun aligns with the feminine moon, sparking a process of creation. Just as in yoga with Nadi Shodhana pranayama, which involves alternate nostril breathing, creating harmony between masculine and feminine energies, the inherent cosmic principle of the law of gender guides the formation of every element in the universe. This alignment of masculine and feminine energies during the new moon creates a powerful cosmic force. You can tap into this energy for personal growth and to manifest your desires swiftly. Whatever happens outside Earth directly impacts us, and we can always benefit from these phenomena if we know what to do. We are interconnected in this universe, and the new moon provides a time of new beginnings, a blank canvas where you can plant the seeds of your desires, associated with growth, renewal, and amplification. Comparable to spring tides that enhance the ocean, the new moon's energy shift is so high that it influences everything, turning high tides into extra rough waves and low tides into very low tides. Our connection to the ocean mirrors the connection between our brains, composed of around 73% water, and the moon's impact on tides reflects its influence on our emotions, thoughts, and intentions. During the new moon, the boundary between spiritual and material realms is less distinct, making it an opportune time for manifestation. Neville Goddard said, "Feeling is the secret to manifesting anything you want really fast, and since the new moon amplifies everything, it's the best time to manifest anything swiftly." Be aware of your thoughts during the new moon and harness its energy to your advantage. Gratitude is the fastest way to raise your vibration under the amplifying energy of the new moon. Express gratitude for what you already have and for the manifestation that is on its way. Trust the universe's timing and infinite wisdom. The powerful new moon manifestation ritual involves setting clear and powerful intentions. Reflect on your deepest desires, write them down on paper, be specific, positive, and use the present tense. Visualize your desires being fulfilled, combining this with positive affirmations that reaffirm your belief in your abilities and the universe's support. Release and let go by burning the paper with your intentions, symbolizing sending them to the universe. Express gratitude for what you already have and trust the universe's timing. And there you have it, cosmic enthusiasts. The cosmic dance of the upcoming first new moon of 2024 awaits you. As we wrap up this exploration of celestial energies and manifestation wisdom, the stage is set for you to embark on a transformative journey. In the comments below, share the dreams you're breathing life into this year. Engage in the high vibrational rituals we've unfolded, propelling your intentions into the cosmic ether. Remember, this isn't just a video, it's an invitation to dance with the universe. Before you go, make sure to watch the entire video for the intricate steps of the powerful new moon manifestation ritual and an in-depth understanding of the intensified energies at play. And for those thirsty for more spiritual insights, manifestation hacks, and self-discovery, subscribing is your cosmic key. Hit that button and activate the notifications. Manifestations are an art, a delicate fusion of intention and cosmic energy. Exercise caution, for your vibration shapes the outcome during this sacred time. As you navigate the cosmic currents, may your intentions be sown like seeds in the fertile soil of the new moon. Balance the dance of masculine and feminine energies, akin to the cosmic ballet of the sun and moon. Neville Goddard's wisdom echoes. Feel the energy, for feeling is the conduit to swift manifestation. Gratitude under the new moon's amplifying energy becomes your beacon. Express thanks for what you have and trust the cosmic timing, the symphony orchestrated by the universe's infinite wisdom. As you venture into this realm of manifestation, may the cosmic forces align in your favor. Let your intentions resonate with the ebb and flow of the universe, propelling you towards a year of growth, renewal, and the actualization of your deepest desires. Until our cosmic paths cross again, keep dreaming, keep manifesting, and let the universe unfold its wonders in your cosmic tapestry. May your journey be as magnificent as the stars themselves. Stay cosmic,